Hey everyone, welcome to the very first video of our Class 12 Macroeconomics series. In this video, we are going to study the basics. We'll understand what macroeconomics is and how it's different from microeconomics. And at the end of this video, don't forget to test yourself with a few questions, just to make sure everything's crystal clear. So what exactly is macroeconomics? Macroeconomics is the branch of economics that deals with the economy as a whole. The word macro comes from the Greek word makros, which means large. It studies aggregates and averages like national income, total investment, total consumption, general price levels, inflation, and unemployment in the entire economy. Think of it like this. If the economy was a human body, macroeconomics wouldn't look at the individual organs. It would study how the whole body functions together. For example, if you want to study the total income of a country in a year, that's macroeconomics. If you want to understand why prices are rising across the country, that's macroeconomics too. In simple words, macroeconomics helps us understand the big picture. Now let's compare this with microeconomics. Both are parts of economics, but they focus on very different things. Let's break it down. Microeconomics studies individual units, like one consumer, one firm. Whereas macroeconomics studies the entire economy. For example, all consumers, all firms. Microeconomics is used for price determination of individual goods. And macroeconomics is used for income and employment determination. The main tools of microeconomics are demand and supply. And the main tools of macroeconomics are aggregate demand and aggregate supply. Microeconomics is also known as price theory, and macroeconomics is also known as income and employment theory. An example of microeconomics would be, why is the price of mangoes rising this month? Whereas an example of macroeconomics would be, why is the unemployment rate rising in the entire country? So, while micro zooms on one piece of the puzzle, macro looks at the whole picture. And now it's time for our favorite part. Test your concepts. Let's check how well you understood what we just discussed. I will ask you 5 short questions. You can pause and try to answer them. Question number 1. The term macro in macroeconomics is derived from a Greek word that means. The correct answer to this question is C, large. Question number 2. Which of the following is not studied under macroeconomics? The correct answer to this question is C, individual consumer behavior. Question number 3. Microeconomics is also known as. The correct answer to this question is D, price theory. Question number 4. Which of these is a tool used in macroeconomics? The correct answer to this question is B, aggregate supply. Question number 5. Which of the following statements best define macroeconomics? The correct answer to this question is C. It deals with the overall functioning of an economy. If you got them right, type got it in the comments below. If not, no worries. Just rewatch the last part and try again. That's how we learn. Great job on completing the first part of chapter 1. In the next video, we'll move ahead and understand the circular flow of income, a very important concept that shows how money moves through the economy. So make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one.